Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the connected drive hotspot is included on your account. This is the permission layer. Next, sign into My BMW with your VIN. This links service to the car. Once done, use iDrive. Navigate to Connected Drive or Apps, open BMW Hotspot and choose Activate. Create a clear SSID and a strong password, WPA2 recommended. Make sure the car is parked and running. Some activations require ignition on to write settings to the vehicle module. Once the hotspot is active, configure the radio band. Pick 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for lower interference and higher throughput. Select what matches your passengers. Then set the maximum device limit and optionally enable a guest network to separate traffic. Connect each device by selecting the SSID and entering the password. Make sure they receive an IP address from the BMW DHCP. If a device won't load pages, toggle airplane mode or forget the network and reconnect to refresh DNS and routing. Finish by verifying the connection with a quick speed check or loading multiple pages. This confirms throughput and latency. Then configure convenience settings, auto-off timeout to save power, and data alerts to avoid surprise charges if your plan is limited. Make sure firmware and iDrive updates are current, since stability improves with updates. If the hotspot fails, restart the vehicle electronics. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, and restart. Also check My BMW to ensure the hotspot subscription is active. This fixes most activation errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.